How to log in to TikTok application. So if you want to log into your TikTok application, how to log in to TikTok app. So if you want to log into your TikTok app, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and now you can go for profile, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have your saved account, or if you don't want to go to your saved account, then you can simply tap on add another account and it will take you to login to your TikTok. So you can continue with your Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, or you can use your phone number, email, or your username. So I'll be choosing the first option. And now you can choose your phone number, or you can also go for email or username. So I'll be choosing email, and then you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then what you can do is you can simply tap on login without password, and then you will receive a code to your email address so that you can enter that code and you will be logged into your account. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then tap on login. That's how you log into your account on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.